I just saw this problem on WhatsApp that says you need official WhatsApp to use this account. Using an app other than the official WhatsApp has privacy and security risks. Use WhatsApp to register or log back in. Guys, this was showing on my WhatsApp until I resolved it on my own WhatsApp. And right now, the method which worked for me, I'm going to be explaining everything to you so that you too can recover your own WhatsApp. I know how frustrating and annoying this can be when you see this message on your WhatsApp, because when I got mine, I was just so angry and annoyed because why will WhatsApp give me this even though I am using an official WhatsApp? Yes, I make use of the official WhatsApp, so I was surprised like why will WhatsApp send me this message? So I was happy when I resolved it. And guys, I'm going to be explaining to you reasons why WhatsApp will send you this message, because if you don't know the reason why they send this message to you and you resolve it, guys, it keep on coming on and on until they permanently ban you, and I'm sure you would not want that. So here are the reasons why WhatsApp will send you this message. And the very first thing is, if you're not using the official WhatsApp, this is what it means. That is the very first thing. I know most of you watching this video right now will be like, but I'm using the official WhatsApp. Just relax. Yes, I know, I also was using the official WhatsApp, but it happens mostly to people that don't use the official WhatsApp. So that is the very first thing. Try and use the official WhatsApp. Now, number two, if you're spamming people, stop spamming people. You're sharing broadcast messages with people not on your contact list. They are sharing spam links and the rest of them. WhatsApp don't like this kind of behavior on their platform, so they now flag your line for that. And if in the long run people start reporting your line because of all this thing you are sharing to them, WhatsApp is going to flag you with this message on your WhatsApp. Okay.
Now, if you're facing this issue, you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. There are 3 steps I'm going to be showing you, and if you follow this process, it's definitely going to work for you and your WhatsApp will start working immediately. So, and the very first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store. So if you're an iPhone user, you go to your App Store. If you're an Android user, you go to your Play Store. All right, so once you're here, you search on WhatsApp. So if you're wondering why you are going to WhatsApp, the reason is if there's an update on the WhatsApp, that update can solve the problem for you. However, just like I see over here, my WhatsApp is in the latest version, so I don't need to update it. Okay, but if you need an update, you need to update it, then check if it's working. If it's working, then good and fine for you. Let me know in the comment section. And if after updating it is not working, there's no problem. All you need to do is to go back, then I'll go to your settings. Go to your settings. Okay. Once you're in your settings, you should go to apps, then manage apps. Then now I have to look for WhatsApp. So let you scroll down to WhatsApp. Right, so as you can see, this is WhatsApp here. And now, once I'm here, what you need to do is to click on clear data. All right. So the very first thing you're going to do is to clear the cache on your WhatsApp. Clear the cache on your WhatsApp. After clearing the cache, you now go back to clear all data. So you need to clear both the cache and clear all data. So once you've done that, once you clear the cache and clear the data on your WhatsApp, just quickly go back to go and check if it is working for you. Then if it's not yet working, then you now follow this last method which is going to work for you. Then you just go to your browser. Type WhatsApp, okay, web.whatsapp.com. Search on it. So once you're here, you click on this 3 over here, then you go to help center. So now you scroll down and go to contact us. So which WhatsApp are you using? Are you using the normal WhatsApp, which is WhatsApp Messenger support, or are you using the business WhatsApp? So if you're using the normal WhatsApp, you click on the contact us over here for this normal WhatsApp. But if you're using the business WhatsApp, you go over here. So right now I'm using normal WhatsApp, so I have to click on the contact us over here. And now once I'm here, this is an important part you need to really take note of, so that you have to get that your WhatsApp issue resolved. And guys, if you got to this part of this video, can you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, so that when I create more videos like this, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so once you've done that, let's proceed. Now you need to add your phone number, that affected phone number. Yes, not your random phone number, the affected WhatsApp phone number you're using. So you need to add it, and do not forget your country code. I'm a Nigerian, so that's why it's showing Nigeria. However, whatever country you're in, is still going to work for you regardless. Okay, all the countries that uses WhatsApp app over here. So just click on it, then you put in your number. Now right here, you're going to put in your email address. Why? Because we are contacting WhatsApp support. We are asking them to help you out. You're contacting them, so they're going to give you a response after you message them. So this is why you need to add your email address, and you have to add it 2 times. All right. So now, which phone do you use for WhatsApp? How do you use WhatsApp? Is it Android phone, an iPhone, your web and desktop, iOS, or others? So currently I'm using an Android phone to handle my WhatsApp, so that's why it's an Android. But if you're using an iPhone, click on iPhone menu and the rest. Okay, now this part of this please enter message below is where you really need to take note of, because here you're going to be explaining what is wrong with your WhatsApp, what is really wrong with your WhatsApp, so that they can quickly help you resolve it. All right, so now let me quickly go back to see the message that's it's showing over here. It says you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Then I'm going to type hello, good evening. Don't worry, all you need to do is just to write in the same message I'm typing for them. Okay, just we can write it about him, and then it's still going to help you out in resolving your issue. Okay, hello, good day. I'm trying to log in to my WhatsApp, and I keep getting this message that says you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Can you kindly help me look into it? Here is the affected number. All right, now so you need to re-input the affected number. Remember that you put in the affected number here, so you need to also add it right here again, so that they can help you resolve the issue quickly. Just type in your number +23490 and just type in the number, you understand, and click on next step. You understand? Click on next step, and once you click on this next step, it's going to send message to WhatsApp help center, and from 24 to 48 hours they're going to reply your mail automatically. I need to note that the WhatsApp issue you're facing has been resolved automatically. Okay, so this is how you can resolve this. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Let me know in the comment section if this method worked for you, and if it did, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get more tips like this.
So guys, I've shown you 3 methods right now on how to resolve this. Now the last one, which is the fourth method I'm going to be showing you, that is if all this thing did not work for you. After trying out all this method, what you need to do, guys, is to try logging in WhatsApp on a different account. Yes, use your friend's phone, your family member's phone to go and log in that your same WhatsApp account on their phone to see if it's going to work. Because most time WhatsApp tends to flag your phone's ID. Yes, they tend to flag your phone ID, and once it's done, no matter any solution you try to work on it, it is not going to work out for you. Yes, it's not going to work out for you. Using WhatsApp on another phone help them resolving their own issue. So you need to try that also if all these other 3 methods did not work for you. Okay, so guys, let me know in the comment section which of this method I explained my video today worked out for you very fine, so that I'm going to know. And if it did not still work, let me know in the comment section so that I will keep on looking for ways to help you solve your social media problems. Because currently, like I said on my channel, I am here to help you solve your social media problems, to give you tips on how to resolve any problem that you have on all your social media. So let me know in the comment section, guys, which of them worked for you, or even if it did not work for you. Okay, and do not forget, guys, to kindly give video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video as we discover a smart online tips.